time this seaon. And we'll be here up until the semifinals, the Final Four. Estacio, first crack at the basket for the Red Lions, and it is Jomel Puno showing us the aggression.
Ngayon, pare-pareho lahat sila. Pumaplas sa bola. Tsaka grabing inside game. Ngayon, recently, na San Beda din.
Pero bumawi. Yan ang si Paengare with a three-pointer on the other side.
The big man, ako.
Mauusog ka niyan.
Oo.
Paeng, ganda ng drop-off. That's Richo with the finish of the setup job by Paeng to the main team that competes here in the NCAA. At pagdating niya dito, Coach Jerry, first season pa lang yan. Nakitaan na natin ang potential as we see Rex Gabat stroke it from the outside. This is another guy who si Paengare. Are stops, takes, and hits from the free throw line.
Kumpiyansa yung Paengare talaga. Pagka-transition, stop him eh. Sa transition pala, kung hindi, damaging yung mga pasa niya minsan. Mabilis ang mata.
Paeng tuloy. Penny Estacio. Paeng tuloy ako, Coach. Penny and Paeng, bad Lions. Emantate picks it up. They go to Tagala, back to Tagle for three. And he finds the bottom of the net. It's Philip Rico. Escobedo steps back, pulls the trigger, and hits the target. Escobedo.
Wala hesitancy talaga to si Escobedo. Lahat ng mga nandun pa rin yung style nila nung last year. They attack within 6 seconds. Pag wala, set nila.
Tagle from the corner this time. It's one of those days for Eman Tagle.
Pagkakalaman mo sa Beda, hindi tayo pwede lumaban ng shootout dyan.
Pero sabi ni Reinhardt, kaya ko yan.
Kaya, narinig niya. Coach, ito.
Eman Tagle. Josh Tagala, free throw line jumper by Leonard Songkuya. Tit for tat, back and forth. So, makikita natin, parehong teams natin gumagana mula sa court. Nagpapatuloy dito, Ian Suico, hitting it from the outside.
Kapasok talaga, Red.
Everything but the basket.
Oo, ganda sana kung pumasok.
Yuken! Kaboom! Andrada gives San Beda their largest lead. 35.
Iniiwan mo ng ganyan, kalayo.
Here's the inside pass. Yuken. He's got Suico on him. Andrada, the short stab. It's good. Yuken with a couple of baskets here in the second. Bounce pass to Gabat with a Pinoy step.
Grabe yun.
Palayo yung Pinoy step niya din, Coach.
Transition.
Catch and shoot para kay Brian Sahonia. He's showing us the range here.
Yan ang laro niya. Yes.
One of the masters of the Pinoy step as we see this floater go in for RC Kalimag.
Si RC, kumisa niya, tira sa labas.
Christian, forward pass. Penny Estacio taking it back. Penny, no. Puno, follow up.
Yun ang talon. Talagang parang
nagpakawala. Off to the right that time.
Medyo alanganin yung tira na yun.
Jomel Puno showing us the speed, going coast to coast for that lay-in.
Sa transition.
Ito na si Philip Rico, baseline move, and he finishes with a reverse.
Inside, outside. Mga blue chip. Primera klase ng mga player.
Alright. Maliwat from the right wing. He drops it in. So Maliwat cuts the lead. Bunleon. Albuena. They send it back out. James Payosing off the penetration. Payosing up and in.
Ganda din ang niya.
Ito pang San Sebastian. Ibaba ang lamang. Final shot time of the first half. Maliwat has it. Pascual needs to take. Yes! Yes for Migs Pascual. But they'll look at it. They'll review it.
Pasok yun. Converted.
Very close. Ronald Bagtulis. 48-42. Jomel Puno, one of the best when it comes to outside shooting. Wow! That compound on it. Muntik na agaw. Naka-recover. Balik kay Andrada. Spray. Kalimag. Yes! RC drains it from the outside, and the Red Lions are back.
Spot.
A big-bodied center. Itong si Joe Celso. Paeng Are chooses to shoot. Are drops it in. Right over AJ Royo that time. AJ Royo. Up and in for Royo.
Yan, medyo mahirap yan ganyan. Lalo na ilang dribble, 3, 4.
Ibay. Paeng. Drop off. Reverse para kay DJ Felibrico.
At saka si Felibrico.
Merong blow-up face ni Allen Liwagas. Rex Gaba takes it away. Forward pass. Escobedo is gone. San Sebastian cuts the lead. Down to...
Tinitignan nila anong klaseng karakter meron ng players na San Beda.
Bumalik na si Raymart Escobedo at nagparamdam agad. San Sebastian is back in front.
Marami talagang umahabol dyan na player.
Meantime, fourth quarter is here. San Sebastian is in control. Raymart Escobedo goes all the way. Stealing the score.
Pero sila Are, they're on a mission. San Beda to, malaking isda ito pag nadali nila.
Yeah.
Kahit papano, di ba?
At ito, gigil din sila Raymart Escobedo. Again, this is his final game alongside Rex Gabat, the two graduating players for San Sebastian, and Escobedo will dance and score.
Ay, pagbigyan natin si Royo, siyempre, bago yan. Oo. Yung familiarity minsan sa mga kasama, baka wala pa.
Felibrico drives. Gabat with daylight. Gabat knocks it down. The lead is 8 for San Sebastian.
Oo, hindi takot. Tira sa labas, sa loob.
16 puntos para kay Escobedo. Brian Sahonia draining it from the outside.
Oo. Kalak.
Paeng will attack. Kicks it out. Escobedo. Got it! 19 points for Raymart Escobedo.